Can you all see the screen? The first fact is about lion. The first fact is about lion. Okay, what are the interesting things you're going to know about lion? See, lion while walking, its feet will not touch the ground. Lion, while they are walking, its feet will not touch the ground. Okay, when a lion is walking, its feet will not touch the ground. Then how it will walk? They will tiptoe all the time. Tiptoe means what? See, you will go secretly to one place, no? Without knowing, you will just walk secretly when your mommy has kept some yummy thing, or when she has bought one gift and she would have told you, now you don't take, in the evening I will give you. But how you will go? You will walk in tiptoe without making any noise, and you will go and see, no, what's that? Like that, this lion will always tiptoe and walk. Okay, while walking, lion feet will not touch the ground. They will tiptoe all the time. Tiptoe means, what is toes? All of you touch your toes? Yes, toes. Yes, very good. So they will balance the entire body on the toes, and they will walk very so quietly and carefully. Okay. Yes, that's all about lion. And next is about hippopotamus. Can you all see in the screen? Yes, it's about hippopotamus. A hippopotamus can run faster than a man. Okay, a hippopotamus can run faster than a man. Very nice, no? Hippopotamus will run faster than us. Okay, yes. Now, next is about, what is there on the screen? It's an ostrich. All of you say ostrich. Very good. And ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. See how nice? An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Where you all have brain, just touch it. Touch on your head, the forehead, or at the back side of the head. Where you all have brain? Yes, the back side of your head, no? Like that. This ostrich's eye, no? It's very bigger than its brain. Okay? Now, next thing is about, what's that on the screen? It's a pig. It's a pig. So, what you're going to know about pigs? You know, pigs can't look up into the sky. Pigs can't look up at the sky. You all can look, no? We all can look at the sky, right? But pigs can't look up at the sky. Why they can't look up at the sky? Because their body is designed in that way, and because of their neck muscles. Okay, it's like that, so it can't look up into the sky. Okay, dear? So these are the few amazing facts which you all learned today. First one is about lions. Lions will not, while lions are walking, their feet will not touch the ground. They will tiptoe all the time. And the second thing is about hippopotamus. Hippopotamus run faster than a man. And ostrich, third one is about ostrich. Ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Very good. Now, next you have about pig. Okay? It's physically impossible. It's not at all possible for the pigs to look up at the sky. Okay, dear children? I know now you all are aware of this facts. And you know what? Now, this week, what we are going to implement, we are going to see. Okay, last week you all saw what about cleanliness. Yes or no? Yes, you all would have implemented it. And since ma'am is changing, no, you should not think that, yes, this week we will follow healthy food week. We can stop with cleanliness. No. Once you started practice, no, it should become your habit. Okay. Yes. Now this week we are going to have our healthy food week. Okay, children? We should eat fresh vegetables. Mommy is cooking yummy vegetables for you, but some children are against it. I don't want this. I don't want that. You all are saying no, some children. So you should stop saying that. You know what? Your parents will be talking to me. They will call to me every day. Okay, they will say me, yes, ma'am, my child is obeying what you said. Okay, so I want everyone to eat fresh vegetables and fruits. You know what? If you are staying healthy, no, all the disease. Now, what is the pandemic is going on? Coronavirus, right? It will be afraid to come near you. Oh my God, he or she is very healthy. I should not at all go near them. Like that, it will be very afraid. So I want you all to be very healthy. Okay. So eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay, children. Also, you should eat garlic. You all know what is garlic and ginger. You should eat that. It's very good. Okay. Yes. Now next, fruits. All should eat fresh fruits. Okay. Yes. And sprouts. Your mommy will prepare any dish using the sprouts and you should eat it. Okay. It's very healthy. It is rich in protein. So it's very healthy for you. And then dry fruits. I know many of you like dry fruits. Yes? Yes, during your snacks time also you will bring it. I know that. So I want you all to be very healthy. Okay, children? Say yes, ma'am. Those who are going to implement this week, say yes, ma'am. And raise your hands. Okay, you be on mute. You should not forget that. Yes? Just raise your hand. Ma'am can see you all. Just raise your hand. Wow, everyone is going to follow this. Yeah, it's very amazing, right? Okay, children. And also, you should not eat junk food this week, okay? Biscuits, chips and all, you should not eat. Let's see what's happening. At the end of this 1 week, no? You will find a difference in you. You all will become very strong. Okay, next, when ma'am is coming for next session, you all will say, ma'am, I'm very strong. See now? Like that. Okay, children? Yes. Now, today we are going to work on with few exercises. And before that, I'm going to tell you one thing. Today, you will have your listening skills. Yes? Ma'am would have already told you in your WhatsApp. Today, you will be having your listening skill session also. So, before that, we will work on with 2 or 3 worksheets. And after that, ma'am will go along with the listening skills. Okay? Yes. Now, over to Ashwini, ma'am. Ashwini ma'am, you there?
Yes. Yeah. I'm
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Hi, good day. Hi, good days. You all know the interesting facts, isn't it or not? Isn't it very exciting? Yes, Kanchana, can you share?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So you're going to follow today's week. What you're going to follow for this week? You're going to eat healthy food, isn't it or not? So many parents answered through the chat that my son is not eating this, my child is not taking this. No, everyone should eat fruits, vegetables, sprouts, and nuts. Okay, next week you will be by this week you will be becoming very healthy, isn't it or not? Yes. Shall we move on? Yes, to the lesson. Okay, today we are going to do 3 worksheets from workbook exercises. Okay, a chair for my mother. If you have the workbook, you can do it in your workbook. Those who don't have workbook, you can take down in your notebook. Okay, shall we all start? Yes, chair for my mother. Later. Okay, you all know about noun, isn't it or not? Yes, you all know about noun. What is a noun? Come on, anyone answer through the chat. You all know what is a noun, isn't it or not? Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, and animal, isn't it or not? Whatever you see around you, it's all noun only. You're sitting at home, the fan, the table, the chair, the pen, pencil, mother, you, father, grandmother, grandfather, everyone are noun, isn't it or not? Yes. With that, shall we do one exercise? Yes, next one. Yes, can you all find a clown on the page? Yes. Yes. So many nouns are over the clown. Now you are going to find out whether it is a noun or not. Okay, you can even identify what it is. It is a place or an animal or a thing or a person. Okay? Yes, we are going to circle the noun. Yes. See the first one on the hand, desk. D-E-S-K, desk. Desk is a thing. Very good. So circle it. Very good. See, coming to the next hand, book. B-O-O-K, book. Book is a thing. It's a noun. Circle it. Very good. See the hair, coming to the hair portion, you have 3 nouns. Glue, glue. Glue is a thing, isn't it or not? Yes, so circle. Toy, Toy, toy. Toy is a thing, very good. Then circle it. Seema, Seema, Seema. Seema is a thing, huh? It's a name of a person, isn't it or not? Yes, so circle it. This is also a noun, very good. Coming on to the next, door, Door, door. Door is also a thing, isn't it or not? Then circle it. Very good. Doctor. 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 Very good. Doctor is a person. Super. Circle it. Very nice. Coming to the nose. See the nose. A word is there. What is that one? Pen. Pen. Very good. Pen is a thing. So many of you are answering through your chat. Very good. Pen is a thing. Circle it. Okay. Coming to the collar portion, see, Cake, cake. Cake is also a thing, isn't it or not? Yes. Cake. Yeah, very good. Cake is a thing. Circle it then. Superb. Then coming to the dress portion, see the 2 words are there. Flower, Flower, flower. Flower is a thing. Circle it. Very good. Board, Board. Board. Board is also thing. Oh, you have all circled that. Very nice. So all are things, isn't it or not? Yes. You all have finished doing this activity? Yes. If not, it's okay. You can do it after the session is over. Okay. Now moving on to the next exercise. This is also it's going to be very interesting. See, underline the names of persons and things in the following sentences. Okay. So in the sentence, a person is there, a thing is there. In few sentences, only person is there. In some other sentence, only things is there. So you are going to find which one is a person and which one is a thing in the sentences. Okay. Okay. Ma'am is going to read out the first sentence for you. First one is, my brother is good in sports. So if you noticed a person in that sentence, you are going to put P. Okay, underline the word and you are going to write it as P because P denotes person. If there is a thing, you are going to write T. Okay, see, my brother is good in sports. What is the noun there? Very good. See, ma'am is doing for you. Brother. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Brother is a person. So you have to underline the word and put P. Can you all see how ma'am is doing? Yes. Can you all do like this? Yes. Very good. Brother. Brother is a person. Underline and put P. Okay. So no thing is there, isn't it or not? So my brother is good in sports. Coming to the next one. Her book is on the table. Her book is on the table. What is a noun? Book. Very good. B-O-O-K. Book. Book is a person or a thing? Person or a thing? Thing. Very good. So underline the word book and write as T. Table. Table is also a thing, isn't it or not? So underline the word table and write T. Very good. Next question. The teacher had to leave early. The teacher had to leave early. So what is a noun there? Teacher. Very good. Teacher. Teacher is a person or a thing? Teacher is a person or thing? Person. Very good. Underline the word teacher and write it as P. Person. Very good. Going on to the next question. The king has many ministers. The king has many ministers. What is a noun there in that sentence? What is a noun in that sentence? King. You have to underline the word king and write it as what? Person, isn't it not? He is a person. Ministers. Ministers. Underline the word ministers and put it as P. Okay? Yes, very good. Ma'am is doing along with you. Can you all see this? Yes, you are also going to do. Okay? Very good. You can buy bread at the bakery. You can buy bread at the bakery. What is the noun? Bread. Very good. Bread is the noun. What it is? It is a person or a thing? It is a thing. Very good. So underline the word bread and mark it as T. Very good. At the bakery. Bakery is a place. So you don't have to write. Okay. Bakery is a place. But you keep the clothes in the cupboard. Keep the clothes in the cupboard. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. Person. Clothes is a thing, isn't it or not? Clothes is a thing. Underline the word cloth and mark it as T. Very good. Cupboard. Cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. Cupboard is a thing. Very good. Underline the word cupboard and write it as T. Very good. The gentleman sat in a corner of the room. The gentleman sat in the corner of a room, in a corner of the room. So what is a noun? Gentleman. Isn't it or not? Gentleman. Gentleman is a person. So underline the word gentleman and mark it as T. Okay? Very good. And a room. Room is a place, isn't it or not? So you don't have to write, but you should know it. The gentleman. Underline the word gentleman and mark it as P. Okay, very good. The soldiers fought all day long. The soldiers. S-O-L-D-I-E-R-S. Soldiers. Soldiers fought all day long. Soldiers. Soldiers are person, isn't it or not? So underline the word soldiers and mark it as P. Have you all finished this? You want me to repeat again? You all know this? Very good. So you all know this, isn't it or not? Already we have done so many exercises regarding noun right from first standard, isn't it or not? Yes, you can all do it on your own. So the next exercise is also like that. So this you have done so many times in your assessment, isn't it or not? Classifying the nouns. So person, place, animal and things are given and few examples are also given. You are going to place it under which category belongs to. This is also going to be very interesting. Ma'am is going to tell the word and you're going to place it under person, place, animal and thing. Okay, shall we all start? Are you having pencil with you? Notebook with you? Yes. Very nice. Very nice. So many of you are answering to your chat. Very good. Now, first word is dog. Dog is a what? Which category we can place it? Animal. Very good. See, ma'am has done one for you. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog is animal. Very good. Tiger. Tiger. Tiger is also animal. Start writing. Very good. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Cow is also animal. Very good. Write in animal's place. Eyeglasses. Eyeglasses. Eyeglasses is a thing, isn't it or not? So place it under thing category. Very good. School. School. School is a place. Very good. So write it under place category. Very good. Can you see ma'am is filling the answers for you? Yes, with that you can take down in your workbook also. Hospital. Hospital. Very good. Place. Right. Place. Hospital. Mumbai. Mumbai is also T. Soumya. 2C, please mute yourself, Kanna. Mumbai. Mumbai. Mumbai is a place. M-U-M-B-A-I. Mumbai. Mumbai is a place. Very good. Teacher. Teacher. Teacher is a person. Very good. Teacher is a person. So write under person. Computer. Yes. Soumya.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kanna. Put yourself on mute. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Cat is a animal. Very good. Right under animal. Carpet. C-A-R-P-E-T. Carpet. Carpet is a thing. So right under thing. Sachin. Sachin. Sachin is the name of a person, isn't it or not? Sachin Tendulkar. You might have heard about the famous cricket player, isn't it or not? Sachin. So Sachin is the name of a person. So Sachin is a person, right under person category. Very good. Pencil. Pencil is a thing, isn't it or not? Pencil is a thing. Nurse. Nurse. Nurse is a person. Nurse is a person. Very good. Library. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Library. In school, you used to go to library, isn't it or not? What is library? Library is a place where books are kept for reading, isn't it or not? Yes, library. Barber. Again, barber. Barber is the person who cuts hair, isn't it or not? Is that person? So with that, we all have finished the answer. Can you all see the answers? Come on, ma'am is going to give another 1 minute. You can observe the slide. Yes. Is it okay for you? Now with this, you can write it on your own in your workbook. If you have not finished it, it's okay. We are going to move on to the next worksheet. Okay. So we can do it later. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? Now Kanchana ma'am is going to explain about this workbook exercise. Okay. Over to Kanchana.
Yes. So now children, you all are aware of noun. Yes. In first standard itself, you read how to categorize the noun. Yes. Yes. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to fill in the blanks using names of the animals given. See, few animals are given down, right? You can see the picture of that animals. Yes? Yes? Yes. So the first one is done for you and the remaining all we are going to do. Okay, dear children? Yes. The first one is, my brother swims like a. So which animal will swim in the above given animals? Fish. Yes? So it's already done for you. Now B1 is, Geeta is as busy as a. So which thing will be very busy in the above given animals? Which one will be very busy, dear? As busy as a bee. Can you all see a honey bee there? Yes, in the first picture, first image. Yes. So Geeta is as busy as a bee. Very good. What is the spelling for bee? B-E-E. Bee. B-E-E. Bee. Very good. Now C. Next one is, Rohan's grandfather is as wise as an. As wise as an. Which thing will be compared to wise when you are listening to stories also? Yes, as wise as an owl. What is the spelling for owl? O-W-L. Owl. All of you say O-W-L. Owl. Yes, while you're listening to stories, yes or no? Everything, owl will be compared to its cleverness. Yes or no? Owl will be very clever. Yes, and very wise. Yes or no? So, Rohan's grandfather is as wise as an Owl. O-W-L, owl. Very good. Now next one is Meeta's friend is as quiet as a... Which one will be very quiet in the above picture? As quiet as a mouse. As quiet as a mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. M-O. Yes, very good. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Very good. Next one. Henry jumps like a... Which animal in the above picture is jumping? Which will jump? Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. All of you repeat after ma'am. F-R-O-G. Frog. Yes, I can see some children are sitting very close to your device. Maintain a distance and sit, children. Yes, it's not good for your eyes. No, just maintain a distance from the device and sit. Yes, very good. Next one is Jyoti is as slow as a... Which one will be very slow in the above picture? As slow as a snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. Yes? Yes, all of you are okay with the answers? Now we will move on to next. Next question is... Wait. Yes. Rita's mother is as gentle as a... As gentle as a sheep. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. Yes. Now next one is... Kana, put yourself on mute here. It's echoing actually. Yes. Rita's mother is as gentle as a sheep. What is the spelling for sheep? S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Okay. Now next one is the thief is as sly as a... The thief is as sly as a fox. What is the meaning of sly? Sly means what? Sly means cunning. Yes? This animal is compared to its cunningness. Yes or no? Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Yes? Now next question is, my brother is as stubborn as a... Stubborn means what? Stubborn means not changing one's attitude. Okay? Not changing one attitude or position. Anything it can be. See, stubbornness is compared. This animal is compared for its stubbornness. What is that? Who's that? It's a donkey. It's a donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. The boxer is as strong as an ox. The boxer is as strong as an ox. Yes? Yes. Very good, children. So now worksheet exercises are over. We are moving on to the listening skill, wherein which ma'am is going to say you a story. Listen to the story carefully and the link will be shared to you all in the WhatsApp. Your parents will open the link and give you what is you're going to do is you're only going to answer to the questions in that. Okay, that will be evaluated for your listening skills. Yes? Yes. Now let's begin to the story. Listen carefully. It's story time. Yes? Okay. What is given in the picture? It's a jungle. It's a jungle. It's afternoon time in the jungle. What time in the jungle? Afternoon time. Yes, it's very hot. It's how it is, how the weather is. It's very hot and it's afternoon time in the jungle. So what's happening? All the animals are taking rest. Okay, it's afternoon time and also it's very hot in the jungle. So all the animals are taking rest. Can you all see an owl in the picture? An owl is sleeping on a branch of a tree. Where is the owl sleeping? On a branch of a tree. Owl is sleeping on a branch of a tree. So this thing is happening in the afternoon time in the jungle and owl is sleeping on a branch of a tree. Next, A mouse is sleeping. Loshini, kindly stop giving annotate request, dear. Yes. A rat is sleeping on a mat. Where the rat is sleeping? It's sleeping on a mat. Listen carefully, everyone. Where is the mouse sleeping? Where is the mouse sleeping? It's sleeping on a mat. Where is the mouse sleeping? It's sleeping on a mat. The mouse is sleeping on a mat. Okay? But the naughty monkey is not sleeping. Who is not sleeping? The naughty monkey. It's jumping from branch to branch of a tree. Okay? And disturbing everyone who is sleeping. Okay? And the parrot is painting a picture. What the parrot is doing? It's painting a picture. What the parrot is doing? It's painting a picture. Yes? Yes. Now what happened? Suddenly there was a squeal sound. What is squeal? Squeal means what? Squeal means giving some high-pitched noise. Okay. See here. The monkey, the naughty monkey, what it done, you see. Can you all see in the picture? It rolled the mouse on the mat. The mouse was sleeping on a mat, no? I told you already, right? The naughty monkey rolled the mouse on the mat and sat on it. Yes, when somebody hurt you, you all will shout, no? Ah, like that you all will shout, no? Like that, this monkey also squealed. Who squealed? Who squealed? Mouse. Who squealed? Mouse. This mouse squealed. Okay? Because the monkey was rolling it on a mat, this mouse squealed. Out of pain, it squealed. Then what happened? Suddenly when you're sleeping and some noise is coming, how you will get up? Wow, like that you'll get up, no? See the owl, it was sleeping on a branch of a tree, no? It fell down. Can you all see in the picture? Yes? Yes, and the owl fell down. And the parrot's painting also got spoiled. Okay? Somebody squealed, no? So they all were disturbed. So the parrot's painting also got spoiled. And all the animals got angry on this monkey. Why are you disturbing like this? Like that, they all scolded the monkey. What they all done? They all scolded the monkey. They all scolded the monkey. Now, ma'am will just give a recap. And before that, let me see whether you have understood it. Yes? Where was the mouse sleeping, dear? The mouse was sleeping on a mat. The mouse was sleeping on a mat. Yes? Where was the owl sleeping? On the branch of a tree. Owl was sleeping on the branch of a tree. Yes, the mouse was sleeping on a mat. Who was painting a picture? Who was painting a picture? Parrot. Who was painting the picture? Parrot. Who squealed? Who shouted? Who squealed? Excuse me. Who squealed? Who squealed, dear? Mouse squealed. Yes or no? Because of the monkey, the mouse squealed. Squealed means shouting in some high-pitched noise. Okay? The mouse squealed. Who fell off from the branch of the tree? Who fell off? Who was sleeping on the branch of the tree? Owl. Yes? Owl fell off from the tree. Yes or no? Finally, all the animals, what they done the monkey? They scolded the monkey. What they done? They scolded the monkey. Okay, dear children? Oh, yes, very good. Yes, very good. I know that you all would have listened. And that's all for today's session, dear children. Okay? You're done with your listening skills also. And I want you all to wait for the link and answer in it. Okay, dear? Yes? If you're having any doubt, yes, your voice is breaking actually. And I want you all to wait for the link and answer in it. Okay, dear? Ma'am?